Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to unpause account on Tinder. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up a Tinder application on your device. You can see over here Tinder application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you pause your account, you'll be able to see this kind of message over here. Your card is hidden. Enable discovery to meet new people. People you have already liked may still see your profile and match with you. So if you want to unpause the account, what you have to do is simply tap on this option, Enable Discovery. Now once the discovery has been enabled, you can see over here, you'll be able to see the people again. That means your account has been unpaused. So that is how you unpause account on Tinder. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.